In the bustling outskirts of Milton, Georgia, where urban endeavors meet suburban aspirations, lies a beacon of waste management excellence, North Point Dumpsters. With an unwavering commitment to cleanliness and convenience, we offer top-tier dumpster rental services tailored to your needs. Whether you're undertaking a residential cleanup, a commercial renovation, or a construction project, our robust dumpster fleet is ready to accommodate your debris easily. At North Point Dumpsters, we understand the importance of efficiency and reliability, ensuring that your waste disposal process remains seamless from start to finish. For prompt assistance and premium dumpster solutions, dial 470-983-1028. Our dedicated team at North Point Dumpsters is poised to assist you every step of the way. Need a dumpster for your upcoming project? Look no further than North Point Dumpsters. Visit our website at www.northpointdumpsters.com to explore our services and reserve your dumpster today. With North Point Dumpsters by your side, waste management becomes a breeze, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, your project's success. Experience the pinnacle of waste management prowess with North Point Dumpsters. Our commitment to excellence and unparalleled customer service sets us apart as the premier choice for dumpster rental in Milton, Georgia. Don't let debris derail your plans. Trust North Point Dumpsters to streamline your waste disposal needs and exceed your expectations.